Okay, I just finished a time lapse of today, and the clouds were just a mixture of somewhat natural water vapor clouds, just totally tainted with desiccants that they're spraying, which produced absolutely no rain whatsoever. Completely unnatural for this time of year. We should have billowing clouds that come through here and bringing spring showers that bring May flowers, but it's not happening. Like I said, I feel like I'm beating a dead horse on all this, but really what it really comes back around to is we're in a spiritual battle. And either you serve Satan or you serve Jesus Christ. So choose this day who you're going to serve. Accept Jesus Christ as your Savior. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. So whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. And that's the gospel in a nutshell. That's our everlasting hope.